Don't do it yet. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
My name is Maddie.
My name's Maddie.
And my mother and sister and I
My mother and sister and I
have worked so hard to make the snowman. See, look, it has hair, it has eyes and a nose and a mouth, arms.
and
See?
hair.
Very nice. Now, what do you want to do with it now that we're done?
Knock it over.
Why do you want to do that?
Because they like to.
And just like that, all our hard work destroyed. All right. Careful, baby. All right.
I'm going to make my snowman.
You can do it? Oh, watch out. There's a bowl underneath you. Okay. Why don't you go do it? We need to do it on soft snow. This is hard because we've been messing with it. Do it over here, honey. Or over there. You need help? Okay. Come on. Can you get up? You gotta stand, honey. Okay. Do it again. Do it over there. Okay, go ahead. Lay down. Oh, I hope it works. We can walk around. Okay, go ahead. Yay! Do your arms wider. Up higher. Push them. Yes, there you go. Good job. Okay, you want to see it?
Yeah.
Wait. You got to go straight up. Look. I can't really see it on the camera. Can you see it? Cool, huh? Cool. All right. I think we're done.
No.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Zoe, say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Do you want to do Snow Angel too?
No.
No? You want to go inside? No? Are you pushing your snow baby? Is that what that is? Snow baby? Alright. Okay guys, let's go inside. Come on. Yay, snow. Go inside now. Hi. Where'd you go? Okay, bye Zoe. Bye Daisy.